Who is considered the father of the library classification? Melville Dewey. The CC is based on which theory of the classification? That is faceted. Which theory of classification involves listing all possible subjects? That is enumerative. Who proposed the faceted classification theory? S.R. Ranganathan. The theory that supports synthesis of subjects from basic facet is called as the analytico-synthetic. Enumerative classification scheme provide pre-constructed class number, which is not a type of library classification theory, that is chain indexing. DDC follow which classification theory, that is enumerative. Big classification theory involves breaking a subject into constituent parts, analytico synthetic. Which of the following is a feature of faceted classification? Use of fundamental categories. The term analytico synthetic was first used by the W.C. Berwick Sayers. The fundamental basis of faceted classification is subject synthesis. The five fundamental categories were introduced in CC. The five fundamental categories are also called as the PMEST. Which classification theory allows post coordinate indexing? That is post coordinate. Analytico synthetic schemes are characterized by citation order. The term facet in classification refers to the a part of the compound subject. Which theory is most suited for online classification system? Analytico synthetic. Post coordinate indexing is opposite to the pre coordinate indexing. Facet analysis is the foundation of which classification scheme? That is column classification. Which theory focus on predefined categories and fixed location? That is enumerative, which is not a principle used in classification theory. Canon of Southheading. Hospital for women will be analyzed as a which type of classification theory? It is faceted. The main advantage of faceted classification is flexibility and specificity. Citation order in classification refers to sequence of facet. Which classification scheme is a good example of enumerative classification? That is DDC. Which of the following theory supports combinational flexibility? Analytico synthetic. In faceted classification, space belongs to which fundamental category? That is space. Which type of theory use table for synthesis? Faceted. Which is the correct order of PMEST? Personality, matter, energy, space, and time. The principle of hospital for women is known for the principle of facet sequence. Which scheme is a combination of enumerative and faceted theory? That is UDC. Which theory is based support classification in digital library? That is faceted. The use of common isolate is typical in CC. The correct definition of canon in classification is a rule for the correct procedure. Which principle ensures subjects are arranged from the general to specific? Canon of specificity. Chain procedure is related to which theory? That is faceted. Who classified knowledge into discipline, subjects, and micro subjects? That is S.R. Ranganathan. Facet analysis focus on the breaking down a subject into categories. Which scheme introduce common auxiliaries for place, form, and language? That is UDC. Enumerative classification schemes are often inflexible. The term schedule in classification refers to a list of subjects arranged systematically. Which classification theory is most dynamic? Analytico synthetic. Sears list of subject heading use which theory? That is enumerative. Which theory deal with the specific subject indexing without predefined order? That is post coordinate. The primary goal of classification theory is to arrange materials logically. Which theory allows easy addition of new subject? That is faceted. Facet formula is used in CC. Classification by discipline is central to which theory? Bliss classification. Analytico synthetic theory promotes subject analysis and synthesis.